We've got an official rendered POV now for Pipeline, the surf coaster, the new next-generation Bollinger & Mabillard stand-up coaster that's debuting in May 2023 at SeaWorld Orlando. It's a 0 to 60 mile an hour launch on this new coaster, which reaches 110 feet top height on 2,950 feet of track. Designed to look like a giant surfboard, these trains will have stand-up seats that kind of bounce up and down, so your knees are going to get a little workout here as we roll into the one inversion on this new coaster. So you're going to be bouncing up and down like you're riding a surfboard on the waves. We'll see how that works out with some of the lateral movement that you can see here on the coaster as it runs through its final paces. Again, Pipeline the Surf Coaster opens at SeaWorld Orlando in May 2023. Stay tuned to ThemeParkInsider.com for more coverage of this next generation of Bollinger & Mabillard stand-up roller coaster.